This tutorial river will show you how to create gradient background in Photoshop. Click on this icon. Select gradient. Click on this gradient drop down. From here you can select any gradient option. I'm gonna selecting this violent orange and click on style, and you can change the gradient style from here. You can also change the angle. You can play with this scale level. You can click this reverse to make the gradient reverse. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.